Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Asafira and this is my video for Interpretive reading class. Review version. Let me begin. First is factual dimensions. There are clear factual difference between Eastern and Western educational system. In many Asian classrooms, teachers demonstrate a model like a tree or a cat or maybe a car in the cardboard, and students are expected to reproduce it exactly. This reflects a highly structured approach centered on accuracy and uniformity. In contrast, Western classroom encourage students to create their own interpretations, thereby valuing originality. Other factual difference lies in study time and curriculum focus. Students in countries such as Japan typically spend more hours in school, study more objects, and often outperform American students in mathematics and science by the end of high school. Western students, however, experience fewer school hours but gather emphasis on discussion, independent research, and critical thinking. Two is the difference between religious and ethnical values. Educational practice can be as seen as reflecting border religious and ethnical traditions. Eastern education, with its emphasis on obedience, memorization, and collective conformity, resonates with values deeply rooted in Confucian, Buddhist, and other religious traditions that stress respect for authority, self-discipline, and harmony within the group. Western education, by contrast, aligns with religious and philosophical traditions that prioritize individual freedom, self-expression, and personal responsibility. Values influenced by Christianity and Enlightenment thoughts. Thus religious and moral frameworks subtly shape how societies conceptualize the purpose of education. And the third is the lifestyle and cultural orientations. Educational methods also mirror borders, lifestyle, and cultural orientations. In Eastern societies, collective identity is prioritized other individuality over individuality. Children's lifestyles are highly structured, with additional tutoring and extracurricular studies season common, reflecting the belief that education is central to family honor and social advancement. In Western societies, lifestyle tend to emphasize balance between academic work and personal growth. Students are encouraged to question, discuss, and explore ideas beyond the textbooks, which mirror a cultural orientation toward independence, self-discovery, and creativity. The conclusion of the factual and religion and lifestyle is was the comparison of Eastern and Western education highlight how faith, religions, and lifestyle interest in shaping learning system. Eastern education is Eastern education is characterized by discipline, conformity, and collective achievement, reflecting cultural tradition that value harmony and respect for authority. Western education emphasizes critical thinking, individuality, and creativity, rooted in culture and philosophical tradition that prioritize freedom and self-expression. Ultimately, both systems present advantage and disadvantage, but each reflects the broader social, ethnical, and cultural context which is embedded. So maybe that's all for my video today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.